How should beginners invest in cryptocurrency to make money? My experience with cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrencies are the financial Wild West, and for every story of someone making a mint, there's a wagon load of folks who lost their shirts. And if we're honest, it can get complicated fast. Start with education. The most critical step before opening your wallet is to educate yourself. You've got to understand what blockchain is, how different cryptocurrencies operate, and what the risks are. This isn't traditional investing, it's closer to speculation. That isn't inherently bad, but just know that going in. There are countless resources, online articles, forums, and videos galore. Devour that content. Only invest what you can lose, never. And I mean ever put in more money than you can afford to kiss goodbye. If you're in Portland, think of it like you're buying a really expensive voodoo donut that might just disappear after the first bite. Don't pull from your rent or grocery budget. Some people take out loans to invest, which is a fast track to a financial horror story. Start small. Dip your toes with a small investment. There's a ton of different currencies out there, but sticking to the well-known ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum is generally a good idea when you're just cutting your teeth on crypto. Consider starting with a platform that's user-friendly, has strong security measures, and provides resources for new investors. Diversify. Don't pour all your money into one coin. Spread it out. Different cryptocurrencies have different applications and risks. By diversifying, you reduce the chance of a single currency's plummet taking all of your investment down with it. Have a strategy. Are you going to hold long-term and ride out the volatility, or try to time the market? Both strategies carry risk, but it helps to have a game plan. In my experience, I've found it's better not to get emotionally attached to any one currency or outcome. The market is unpredictable, sometimes irrationally so. Stay up to date, but stay sane. The crypto markets can swing wildly from day to day. Staying informed is important, but if you're constantly checking your phone for the latest prices, you're going to drive yourself nuts. Use trusted wallets and exchanges. Ensure you're using a secure wallet to store your investments, and only trade on reputable exchanges. Hackers are always looking for opportunities, and you don't want to be the low-hanging fruit. Don't fall for hype. Cryptocurrency is subject to hypes and pump-and-dump schemes. Always do your own research before investing in a coin, no matter how many people are hyping it up on social media. Understand tax implications. Know that investing in cryptocurrency can be a tax event in many countries. Document your transactions and keep in mind that gains can be taxable. My personal experience. I've dipped my toes in the crypto pond a couple of times. I've seen some astonishing rises and some heart-stopping drops. At one point, I made a decent amount from a relatively small investment in Bitcoin before it decided to imitate a roller coaster. I've also had a minor dalliance with a lesser-known coin that fizzled out like a wet firecracker, always illuminating. In essence, investing in cryptocurrency as a beginner is about caution, research, and maintaining a level head. Treat it more like you're going to Vegas rather than investing in a 401k. Sure, it's exciting, but it's also risky. If you play it smart, don't get in over your head, and are prepared for the volatility, it can be an interesting ride. Just remember to buckle up.